Hi guys, welcome to FeSe Millinery channel. If this is your first time, thank you for clicking. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for tuning in today. And if you're a subscriber, oh god, hello, welcome back. All right guys, we'll be learning how to actually block with this princess mat, and just so we avoid stain from occurring. Yeah, I'm actually doing this tutorial based on request. The person actually asked them how to block a princess mat without it getting stained, because I've also noticed that in one or two of my work, when I actually blocked with it, I also supported with the paper mat, and at the point where it got dry, I started seeing stains. Yeah, so well, I made some research and I discovered that yeah, your girl had to just press some buttons, and yeah, she got to know there are certain things you need to avoid in blocking a princess mat, especially when you're trying to block it alone, or you understand. Or you can also decide to block it with a paper mat or a cinnamon, whichever one, but all the same, please guys keep watching. And also I'll also be taking you through the aspect of, if you don't want your turn up to have that sharp end like at the center, you just want a very smooth curve. Yeah, this is the best way to actually derive that. While you pin your crown down, you can also start pinning at the center, but do not pin just where the lines that separates the brim and the crown is. Just pin right beside the lines that should be resting on the brim. Hope you understand me. So just spread, and again, do not spread, do not tighten or make the pins closer to each other. Just spread it more like you are just trying to just create a dent there, not really like you want to make the lines so obvious, you understand. So that is what I'm actually doing here. So when you're done with that, you can actually then proceed to actually brim pinning down the brim or the turn up ends, you understand. So that way you won't be having that sharp bend. Would I say sharp bend? Sharp curve that is between the crown and the brim, you understand me. So all you'll be seeing is a nice smooth curve. So with this method you can also derive that. So now this tutorial is like a two-in-one tutorial. So guys, I would like you guys to keep watching and get to know all these things I've just explained to you, and also I'll be coming in when I need to explain further. All right guys, you can see that we are done with the center blocking. So now we've extended it to the brim. That's a turn up brim. And yeah, if you notice, I'm actually making sure that I first pin the 4 cardinal points of the direction, or whichever one. But after that, you just take it nice and slow. Make sure that you spread the princess mat right on the brim before you pin. Do not just draw the princess mat like you're fighting with the princess mat, all those things. But all the same, take it nice and slow, you actually achieve the best of results. So, and also I would also want you to get to know that after blocking, yeah, you can actually see, then after blocking we're actually going to be, yeah, my apologies, please pardon me. I don't know where I dropped my brush at the time I was doing this tutorial, so I had to just use a spray bottle. Okay, like I was saying, I had actually used the spray bottle, but all the same, what I want to point out here is that when you are mixing your stiffener, make sure that the consistency is very, very, very light. Like you wouldn't want the cinnamon to be thick, like watery milk, you understand it, like watery milk. That's what you should consider when you're mixing your stiffener. And when you're done with it, pour it in a spray bottle if you don't have a brush, and do just what I'm doing. Then, but if you have a brush, then dip your brush into the water, to the stiffener, and then spread it on the brim, you understand, spread it on the mold or whatever you have actually blocked. Then when you're done with that, and you can actually dry off the excess. Do not allow the stiffener rest in the mold. That way it eventually turns to a very dark water, and a dirty water, and then it finally stains your your princess mask, you understand. But in this case, if you're actually doing the way I'm doing, like someone that does not have brush in the house, yeah, you use your palm and spread the thing. Then when you feel that you've actually been able to, you've succeeded in spreading the whole stiffener around the mold, you can then get a smooth foam and then suck out all the excess out of it. You understand me? Just suck out all the excess stiffener out of it. Then that way, and also use the opportunity to use the foam to spread the stiffener where it didn't get to. You understand? So when you're done sucking out everything, try as much as possible to bend over to see if there are still excess ones coming out. Then you also dry. That way you eventually get rid of anything that will find that might find its way to stain your beautiful princess mat. You understand? So that's just it. And after that, you can then decide to sun dry. Please make sure you sun dry, not just put in your room. You understand? Don't make it look like if you drop it in a place there is no sun, it eventually attracts dirt and also stains it. You understand? So make sure that when you're doing this, there is availability of sun. Not like you're doing it at night and you say, okay, by tomorrow I will sun dry. Please make sure you do it at the daytime when you know the sun is available for it to dry up. All right, so at this point, you can actually see that I'm trying as much as possible to spread the stiffener where my hands couldn't actually do justice to. And then when you're done, like I said, you dry. So I'll be showing you guys the finished look so you see what I'm actually saying. So that's that for that. Hope you're enjoying the whole video. I'll be coming in when there is need for me to come in. All right, guys. Okay guys, you can see now that it's dry, and again we've removed the pins that we used to pin at the center, and there's still no stain. You understand? So, and the red is really popping. So at the point where we are going to be unblocking the rest of it, I'll actually be showing you how it looks like. Alright guys, you can see now that we are unblocking. Now we have removed all the pins, and I would advise you gently do this. Remember, I fast forwarded, so it's not like I forcefully removed it from the mold. Yeah, I fast forwarded this part, so it's a bit faster than the normal size of the video. So yeah, you have seen just the little stains we have. These ones are easily correctable, unlike it being on top of where people can actually view it. So yeah, the underneath is can easily be cleaned or sprayed off to cover. And yeah, you can see that there are no sharp bending here or sharp curve. Everything is like a smooth curve, and the whole thing is looking very neat and fine, even though that we didn't even cover while we're pinning. You understand? There are no stains, and that's that for that. You can see how smooth, and there are no dirt or stains covering the whole thing. So that's that. Okay guys, so you can see this is just what it is that we are interested in just showing you in this tutorial. Thank you guys for clicking. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching. We'll be seeing in our next tutorial. Bye.